Exciting ways to safeguard your business from cyber attacks. Are you worried about the threat of cyber attacks against your business? Don't worry, there are exciting ways to safeguard your business from these malicious attacks. In today's digital landscape, cyber attacks are a real and present danger for businesses of all sizes. But, with the right strategies and tools in place, you can protect your business from these threats. To get started, here are some of the most exciting ways to safeguard your business from cyber attacks. 1. Implement a robust security system. Encrypt all of your data, install firewalls, and use antivirus software to protect your system from malware. 2. Educate your staff. Make sure your employees are aware of the dangers of cyber attacks and how to protect against them. 3. Utilize two-factor authentication. By requiring users to enter a code that changes every time they log in, you can make it harder for hackers to gain access to your system. 4. Monitor your system. Regularly monitor your system to detect any suspicious activity. 5. Keep your software up to date. Make sure all of your software is up to date and patched, as out-of-date software can create vulnerabilities that attackers can exploit. By following these exciting tips and tricks, you can keep your business safe and secure from potential cyber attacks.